what's up, people? I finally got my childhood car, man, that I've had 2 times already. This is my 3rd time getting it, and I'm just very excited to have it. Went to Pennsylvania and bought it, and sounds so beautiful. It's a 13B FC. For you rotary people, y'all know what that is. Anyway, overheated one day, and I wasn't doing what I was supposed to do, and I blew the coolant seals. So now we're doing a rebuild. So I've already taken the motor right there, and I started nitpicking at every little thing that I see in here. I already moved the battery. The battery is now going to be in the trunk. There was some rust on the firewall. I've already sanded that down. I'm thinking about eliminating, deleting the AC, but I'm not all the way sold on that. But I'll show you the battery. It's already ran, and it comes out right here. So I haven't figured out where to put my actual location for the battery yet, but I got the wire already ran in the trunk. So let me show you underneath. So you should see the cable. Not a good view, but it runs all the way down and it goes to the starter. That's where the power is at, right there. No need running it all the way back into the engine bay. Just start from the starter. Run it all the way back, up and over, and there you go. So it is a turbo, and I'm probably gonna go with a bigger size turbo, and more to follow. Stay tuned.